If you use Superhuman for email, Dex can help you build stronger relationships. Leave notes, set reminders, and see past context, all without leaving Superhuman. After installing the Chrome extension, simply use the keyboard shortcut Command plus period to open up Dex for the contact on the right preview panel. Once you're done with Dex, hit Escape and close out Dex. Let me show you how this works. With Superhuman open, you'll notice that Dex adds a blue button into each right contact panel. Clicking that button will open up Dex inside of Superhuman. You can also see this button change as you navigate through Dex using the up and down or J and K keys. When you have a contact that you want to open in Superhuman, you can use the keyboard shortcut Command plus period to open them up quickly. In this example, I'll go ahead and add a quick note for Alex. After adding a quick note, I can also use the Dex-specific shortcuts. For example, I'll use the keyboard shortcut F to change the keep in touch frequency for Alex, so I'll get periodic reminders. And once you're done, use the Escape key to close out of Dex, and you can continue on with your existing Superhuman workflow. I hope this integration helps you make the most of Dex. If you have any questions on how to use Dex inside Superhuman, feel free to reach out at contact@getdex.com. Thanks for watching.